morning students. Today you see here this practice set 25. Practice set 25 word problems. We have studied that day this. Find the LCM of the following number. Then question 2, solve the following problems. We studied this only 3 word problems. Then today we will start here this third one, fourth one. See, practice set 25 word problems. Word problems. Fourth one. We observe the traffic lights at 3 different squares on the same big road. They turn green every 60 seconds, 120 seconds and 24 seconds. When the signals are switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning, all lights were green. Then how long after that will the 3 signals turn green this simultaneously again? Firstly, solution right here. Firstly, we find here this LCM of 3 numbers given here, 60 second, 120 second, 24. 60, 120, 24. And take here one by one. First write multiples of 60. Take here all these 60 table. 6 table write first. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. Then 0 0 write means 60 table. 61 the 60, 62 the 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, 420, 480, 540 and lastly 600. Then multiples of 120. 120 means here you write here 12 table and then put 110 means here. Then you prepare here this 120 table. 120, 240, 360, 480. Then 1 2 0 0. Then multiples of 24. Multiples of 24. 24 table write. 24, 48, 72, 96. 120, 144, 168, 192, 260 and 240. Then common multiples. Common multiples. See which numbers are common in these these multiples. 120, here also 120. Then 240. 240. Only 2 numbers, 120 and 240. The lowest common multiple. The lowest common. The lowest multiple is 120. Therefore, LCM is equal to 120. Then here 120 seconds. All values are in seconds. Therefore, answer is 120 seconds. LCM is equal to 120 seconds. 120 seconds means 2 signals turn green simultaneously again. All three signals will turn. Write below answer. All three signals turn simultaneously will turn simultaneously green again at what answer here, 2 minute 2 minute switched at 8 o'clock in the morning, means 2 minutes past 8 o'clock. 2 minutes past 8 o'clock. Again one word problems remain here. Fifth one. Given the fractions, two fractions given here, 13/45 and 22/75. Write their equivalent fractions with the same denominators and add them. Write the equivalent fractions of these two fractions. See, first here solution, write here two fractions given, 13/45 and 22/75. Then we find out this LCM of, in these two fractions. Only you take this here LCM of these denominators, 45 and 75. 45 and 75. Then write multiples of 45. Multiples of 45. Then write here 45 table. 45, 90, 45 is 135, 180, 225, 270. Then add. Then multiples of 75. 75 unja 75, 150, 75 2ja 150, 75 3ja 225, 75 4ja 300. Then add. Then here write these common multiples. Common multiples here. Common multiples 225. 225. Then we change the given fractions with denominator 225. We find out here this LCM of 45 and 75. LCM of these two fractions, answer is 225. Then we change these given fractions. We change given fractions with denominator 225. We change here denominators of these two fractions. Denominator is what? 225. Firstly this fraction write 13 divided by 45. Then in 45 table 225 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 means 45 5 is 225. Then here 13 5 is 65. Then next fraction write 22 divided by 75. Then here 3 multiply here 3. Then you will get here this denominator of 225. 22 3 is 66. Means answer is what? 65 divided by 225 and 66 divided by 225. Denominators. Find the same denominators. Same denominators here. These two denominators. Then afterwards add addition of these two same denominators. Here same denominators will become answer. Then you write here addition of this plus 66 225. Then when denominators same, then you write here addition of this only numerators. 65 plus 66 divided by 225. Answer is 131 divided by 225. 131 divided by 225. In your questions here two questions are there. See here. What is the equivalent fractions? Write there equivalent fraction. These two equivalent fractions. 65 divided by 225 and 66 divided by 225. Find the same denominators and add them. Addition of these two denominators. Answer is what? Addition of these two fractions. 131 divided by 225. Here completed this practice set 25. Then in homework all of you write these word problems of this practice set 25. Okay.